The affiliate boom, more products, more problems. They reckon global affiliate marketing spending will hit a whopping $12 billion in 2025. This surge is driven by the increasing number of online shoppers and the growing trust in digital transactions. More brands are recognizing the power of affiliate marketing, leading to a flood of new products and services being promoted online. That's a massive opportunity for affiliate marketers like you and me. With more products to choose from, there's a greater chance to find something that perfectly aligns with our audience's needs and interests. However, this abundance also brings its own set of challenges. But it also means there's more competition than ever. The market is saturated with countless affiliates, all vying for the same audience. Standing out in such a crowded space requires more than just luck. It demands strategy, creativity, and persistence. Finding the perfect product to promote isn't a walk in the park anymore. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which product will resonate most with your audience. It's no longer enough to pick a product based on gut feeling or personal preference. It takes proper research, clever thinking, and knowing what's happening in the market. You need to dive deep into market trends, understand consumer behavior, and analyze competitors. This means spending time on thorough research and staying updated with the latest industry news. The days of just sticking a link on your website and watching the cash roll in are over. Today, it's about creating valuable content that engages and informs your audience. You need to build trust and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Today's affiliate marketers need to be sharp, adaptable, and really focused on giving their audience something valuable. This means leveraging multiple channels, from social media to email marketing, and constantly interacting with your audience to understand their needs and preferences. So the big question is, what makes an affiliate product really stand out in 2025? It's about offering something unique, solving a specific problem, and providing exceptional value. The products that will shine are those that not only meet but exceed customer expectations, creating loyal and satisfied customers. Navigating the affiliate landscape in 2025. Affiliate marketing basically is recommending stuff you actually like. You get a bit of money when someone buys something using your special link. Everyone wins. Businesses get more customers, and you earn some dosh by promoting things you actually believe in. But things have changed. Loads of products and the rise of social media have made it much more competitive. Now, affiliate marketers need to be experts in their area, building trust to stand out. And trust, saturation, and the affiliate's dilemma. Two big problems face affiliate marketers today: too many products and people not trusting ads anymore. The internet is overflowing with stuff, making it hard to get noticed. At the same time, everyone's seen so many ads online that they just ignore them. So what's the answer? Be genuine and offer real value. Instead of just trying to flog products for commission, think about what your audience actually needs. Recommend things that genuinely solve their problems and make their lives better. Section 4, the anatomy of a perfect affiliate product. In this section, we will delve into the key elements that make an affiliate product truly stand out in the competitive market of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, understanding these elements can significantly impact your success, right? So what makes a perfect affiliate product in 2025? The landscape of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial. It comes down to three things: good commission, high demand, and a brilliant brand reputation. Let's break these down further. Good commission means you earn decent money for your work. It's not just about the percentage, but also about the consistency and reliability of the payments. A product with a high commission rate can be very enticing, but it's essential to ensure that the company has a track record of paying its affiliates on time. High demand means loads of people want what you're recommending. This is crucial because no matter how good the commission is, if there's no demand for the product, you won't make any sales. Look for products that solve a common problem or fulfill a widespread need, and a good brand reputation makes people trust you more. A reputable brand not only makes it easier to sell the product, but also enhances your credibility as an affiliate marketer. People are more likely to purchase from brands they recognize and trust. These things work together. A product with high demand, good commission, and a strong brand reputation is the trifecta of affiliate marketing success. A product loads of people want, but with rubbish commission, isn't worth the hassle. You need to find a balance where all three elements are present, and something with great commission, but a dodgy brand can hurt your reputation. Always do your research and choose products that align with your values and the needs of your audience. In the end, the perfect affiliate product is one that benefits both you and your customers. Section 5, Unveiling the Gems, identifying top affiliate products. Think about these things when you're looking for top-notch affiliate products. First, does it solve a problem? This is crucial because products that address a specific issue or need are more likely to be valued by your audience. For instance, if your audience is struggling with time management, promoting a productivity tool that helps them organize their tasks efficiently can be a game changer. It should fix something or fulfill a real need for your audience. Products that offer tangible benefits and solutions are more likely to be purchased and recommended by users. Second, is it good quality? Quality is non-negotiable. A high-quality product not only satisfies the customer but also builds trust in your recommendations. It should be well-made, reliable, and do what it says on the tin. A product that consistently performs well will lead to repeat purchases and positive word of mouth. Third, check what other people are saying. Customer feedback is a goldmine of information. Look for products with lots of positive reviews from real customers. Reviews can provide insights into the product's performance, durability, and overall satisfaction. And finally, choose companies that offer good support, resources, and pay you on time. Reliable customer support can make a huge difference in the user experience. For example, online learning is booming. The demand for online courses has skyrocketed, making it a lucrative niche for affiliates. Promoting good online courses or learning platforms with subscriptions can bring in a nice passive income. These platforms often offer recurring commissions, which means you earn money as long as the customer remains subscribed. Also, eco-friendly products are really popular. With increasing awareness about environmental issues, more consumers are looking for sustainable and eco-friendly options. Partnering with brands that care about the environment can attract a loyal audience. These customers are often willing to pay a premium for products that align with their values, leading to higher conversion rates and customer retention. Section 6. Success in 2025, Embracing the Affiliate Essentials. The key to success in 2025 is knowing that affiliate marketing is more than just chucking links about. It's about building a community, becoming someone people trust, and genuinely helping your audience. Choose products you believe in and that your audience will like. And remember, be upfront. Tell people you're an affiliate and always be honest in your recommendations. Section 7. Your affiliate journey starts now. Finding the perfect affiliate product in 2025 takes effort, research, and wanting to offer real value, but by focusing on what your audience needs, working with good brands, and promoting products you actually like, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. Now it's over to you. What do you think about the future of affiliate marketing? How are you going to find your perfect product?